Are you the best vacuum for carpets to buy? Here are 5 of the top-rated models on the market, based on consumer feedback and expert reviews. Whether you're looking for a vacuum for deep cleaning your carpets, or one that's easy to use and maneuver, you're sure to find the perfect fit among these top-rated options. So let's get started. List number: Orfeld Cordless Vacuum Cleaner 6-in-1 24,000 PA Powerful Stick Vacuum with Brushless Motor. Orfeld's handy cordless vacuum cleaner with brushless motor is equipped with a 2000 mAh 6-cell Li-ion battery, which gives it a 2.5-hour runtime on standard mode, 4-hour runtime on turbo mode, and 9-hour runtime with the battery charged. The detachable vacuum cleaner, Cordless, has a 1.2-meter long crevice tool, 1.5-meter extensible tube, and 3-meter extension handle, making it ideal for cleaning up messes in tight spaces, such as stairs, windowsills and curtains, sofas, and beds. The hard floor vacuum is compatible with 270-degree ball-bearing motorized brushes for easy cleaning even in corners and dark corners around furniture. This handy yet powerful cordless vacuum cleaner comes with a full-size dust bag for added cleaning performance. Orfeld Cordless Vacuum Cleaner features a powerful brushless motor, providing strong suction on turbo mode. The vacuum also captures pet hair, cat litter, pet food, and other messes on the hardwood floor. List number: WLUPEL Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. The WLUPEL Cordless Handheld Vacuum Cleaner is powerful, reliable, and versatile. Perfect for when you need to clean up messes in small spaces. This powerful device has a slim yet sturdy design that is lightweight, so it can be easily stored away when not in use. With a 250W powerful brushless motor, WLUPEL Cordless Upright Vacuum Cleaner adopts a 2-in-1 stick vacuum cleaner that truly works excellent on carpets and floors. You will find most vacuum cleaners only work well on the floor, but cannot pick up carpet debris. So we especially upgraded the roller with stiff bristles, which can pick up debris hidden in the carpet to achieve extremely thorough cleaning. This cordless stick vacuum is suitable for families and those who need to tidy up large areas quickly. The detachable high-performance battery delivers up to 20 to 35 minutes uninterrupted runtime, depending on your mode. Ideal for large jobs and full house cleaning. List 3. Eureka Lightweight Powerful Upright Vacuum Cleaner for Carpet. The Eureka Power Speed is now upgraded with new cyclone technology to handle larger debris, smaller dirt, and even microscopic dust. Its powerful pickup enables it to penetrate deep into carpet to extract embedded dirt, dust, and debris. Now with 5 height settings, the Power Speed works well on carpets, shag rug, and hard floors, or even on carpeted stairs and stairwells. The Power Speed will always be there when you need it. The powerful Eureka Power Speed Carpet Cleaner offers exceptional performance at a reasonable price. Its lightweight, powerful design enhances its ability to clean deep into carpet and upholstery. A 7-inch long crevice tool, dusting brush, and upholstery tool help clean hard-to-reach areas. Extract dirt, pet hair, freshen up your car, curtains, ceilings, or door frames. This unit is easily maneuvered around tight corners and furniture, yet still handles large debris such as food crumbs and pet hair. The Power Speed also has 5 height settings that accommodate carpets, shag rugs, and hard floors. List 4. Eureka Flash Lightweight Stick Vacuum Cleaner. The Eureka E3X is an ultra-powerful vacuum cleaner with an innovative fingertip brush roll control and motorized floor nozzle. Designed to eliminate dust, debris, and pet hair from hard floors, stairs, upholstery, and more, it is ideal for cleaning upholstery and car interiors with ease. The lightweight machine features a compact design that makes it easy to store in small spaces or on the go. Use the Eureka Flash Lightweight Stick Vacuum Cleaner to clean carpets or hard floors in under 8 minutes for quick results. The multi-floor cleaning brush roll allows you to easily switch between floor types, and the motorized floor nozzle makes cleaning on stairs and tight spaces easy. Features include a lightweight hose and backpack, voltages of 120 volts, 60 Hz, and 500 watts, 86 decibel noise level, and only 6.3 pounds. Easily convert this unit into a hand vacuum for above floor cleaning with the push-button control handle and ergonomic soft grip handle on the back of the unit. List number Kenmore DU2012 bagless upright vacuum 2-motor power suction lightweight carpet cleaner. This Kenmore No Tools vacuum is a powerful upright vacuum cleaner. The HEPA filter traps 99.7% of dust, pollen, and bacteria from getting into the air you breathe. This means cleaner air for your family to breathe. There are 2 powerful motors to make sure that this vacuum picks up all those tough spots, like pet hair, dirt, crumbs, and more. This versatile and lightweight vacuum cleaner's powerful 2-motor system offers excellent suction power, allowing you to clean carpet, hardwood floors, and stairs. The Leader Bagless Upright Carpet Cleaner has a wide sweeper path designed for use on multiple types of flooring surfaces, including tile, carpet, and vinyl. This lightweight vacuum cleaner features a swivel steering and large wheels for easy maneuverability. It features a cyclonic dirt filtration system and a large 25-foot cord for maximum flexibility. The HEPA air filtration system helps to reduce airborne allergens, household dust, and pollen particles in your home.